Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided that I wanted to try the watercolor hair dye method. So as you guys can see, I have this orange lace front and I had a job interview and I needed to have a natural hair color. So first I'm taking my Gots to Be Glued hairspray and I'm spraying the lace because what you want to do is protect your lace so that it doesn't get stained from any of the hair dye color that you're using. And I did like 3 coats of this. So you do your first coat, let it dry, second coat, let it dry, third coat, let it dry. Now this is a full lace, so I was having a little bit of difficulty trying to get all of the lace completely covered. But again, I made it work. And you guys, this method really does work. I was so shocked by that. So yeah, stick around and you'll see. So after I got all of that hairspray nice and dry and the lace covered, I just grabbed one of my like plastic bowls. You can grab one at the dollar store or whatever you have. And as you guys can see, I'm using my Adore Velvet Black hair dye. It's really liquidy, so that's really good for this method. I didn't end up having enough of the dye, so I ended up using, as you guys will see, another dye, which is, I forget which one it is. You guys will see it coming up. But right now, I'm just filling the bottle with water so I can get all of that dye out. I don't want to waste any. And as you guys can see, I put the dye in the bowl first. And the reason being is because you are going to have a less chance of like chunks of hair dye. You want it to be nice and even so it goes all over the hair evenly. Okay, so the second dye that I'm mixing in there is a semi-permanent ion black dye, and it is also very liquidy, as you can see from the videos that I watched where other creators were doing this hair color method. They said to use a liquid dye, that is going to mix a lot better than a cream dye. So you're going to have a much better outcome. It's going to be easier to mix up, which you can see I'm doing here. I'm just stirring that dye, making sure there's no clumps, making sure everything's broken apart. And then I'm going to add in some boiling hot water. Now, I seen some creators just used hot water from the faucet. I boiled the water. I figured the hotter the better. I don't know. Whatever you prefer though. So once you have that hot water all mixed in and stirred around, you guys can see it's pretty black. So I'm taking the hair and you want to start with just the tips first. You want to just make sure you push those all the way in and get it even. You see I'm pulling my fingers through the hair to make sure that the hair is taking the color. I continue to push the hair in and comb it through so that it could be as even as possible. And I did this for maybe about 15 to 20 minutes. All right, you guys. So as you can see, this method worked out great. It is like an ombre brown in the top and into black. The roots were already brown, so this worked out perfectly. She is done and I love it. I hope you guys love it too. It was super easy, super quick. And I also threw in a video here at the end of me in Baltimore at a YouTube meet and greet, just wearing the hair because she came out perfect and I just love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit your bell notification so you don't miss out on any videos here with me. Also, you guys, don't forget to put a smile on your face because it is truly the best makeup you can wear. I love you guys so much. Blow up my comments and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.